Owning a dog is one of the most rewarding things you can do. Dogs are loyal, loving, and always happy to see you. They provide companionship, exercise, and unconditional love. Owning a dog can help reduce stress and anxiety, and can provide a sense of purpose. Dogs are also great for kids, teaching them responsibility and how to care for another living being. Having a dog is an amazing experience that is sure to bring joy into your life. When you go to a restaurant with friends, it is a great opportunity to catch up on each other's lives and to share experiences. The conversation is usually inspiring and funny, and it's a great way to spend an evening. Plus, you can get some great ideas for food from your friends. Lavender is one of the most wonderful things on earth. It is a soothing and calming herb that has been used for centuries. The fragrance of lavender is known to be uplifting and inspire creativity.